Hello students, what's up? So finally the state of Telangana has released the detailed notification regarding the post for assistant in engineer electrical. Okay? So as we have discussed earlier also that the Telangana state will going to release a huge amount of vacancies for the electrical engineers, and it was around 1271 posts. So finally they have released the vacancies for the assistant engineer electrical post. So let's start. Let's see how you can fill this form, what are the procedures, and how you can get the link of this form beta. So one thing which is going in every mind, that is whether the other state students are eligible or not. So a very good news is coming from this Telangana state that the student from other state can also fill this form. So it is very good news. So let's see how you can going to fill this form and what are the eligibility criteria and what will be the mode of examination. So let's start. Before that, a very warm welcome and welcome to Check the Class beta. So finally beta, that the Southern Power Distribution Company of Telangana has released the vacancy for the assistant engineer electrical post, and the date of filling the form will start from 12th of the May and the last date will be mentioned over here. And they have also mentioned the date of examination, and it will be around 17th of July. So you will going to get around 65 to 67 days for the preparation. So just fill the form and start your preparation beta. Okay, so finally they have released the vacancy for the assistant engineer electrical, and it is around, total post is around 70, and the age limit will be around 18 to 44 years, and they have mentioned the payment pay scale also. So let's move to the further important point, and that is your eligibility criteria and educational qualification. So you should have minimum bachelor degree from electrical engineer or electrical or electronics engineer, and it should be from AICTC approved beta. So this is the minimum eligibility criteria for filling this form. So next point, which is very important, is that what will be the application fee. So the application fee will be around 200 rupees for your application fee, plus there will be 120 rupees fees for the student. So it will be totally around 320 rupees is the application form fee beta. So the student who belongs to SC, ST, OBC, they don't have to pay this 120 rupees, they only have to pay 200 rupees. But for the students of other state, they have to pay all the 320 rupees beta. So this is the good news for other state also, that they can fill this form. So this is all which is very important regarding this post beta. Okay, so next we are moving to the way examination pattern and how you can going to get the questions beta. Okay, so here we are going to discuss, let me check where it is. Okay, so here it is beta, the examination pattern, and it is around, let me check. Okay, this all you will going to read it. Okay, and here it is, scheme of examination. So there will be around 100 questions, each of 1 marks, and you will going to get 2 hours. In this 100 question, 80 questions will be from your core subject technical, and 20 questions it will be from general awareness, numerical ability, and history related to Telangana state. So it is the examination pattern, and the most important point is that this examination mode will be offline mode, not online. So you will going to get one OMR sheet, you will going to fill that, and all the things which you do in your offline mode you will going to get in this examination. So just go and fill this form. All the important points you should going to read it, and beta always remember that there is very less time left. So just go and start preparation beta, and they have also mentioned the syllabus for this post beta. So this is the technical syllabus: mathematics, your electrical engineering, electrical circuit, and it is electrical machine. So all the BTech syllabus is over here, and non-tech part again general awareness, aptitude, and history related to Telangana. So this all details is there as per now. So just go and fill this form and start your preparation. And if you have any doubt regarding anything, please don't hesitate to ask. You can pin in the comment box, I will going to reply it. So just go and fill the form, and God bless you to everyone. Thank you so much, and keep smiling. Thank you so much.